In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Over here. Now select All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Click on the password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!